Imagine, I can get your secret numbers. What your secret numbers? You don't tell me anything. Just follow a few math steps which I tell you. And boom, I will tell you an answer. It's a magic? No. It's a mind reading? No. It's an algebra. And today I'm going to teach you this superpower. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Today we are learning something powerful, solving equations. Our idea about solving equations. How we can solve this equation. And first the question arises, what is the equation? What is the equation? And you know about in this equation, we use x, algebraic form, y, z, and then there is differential, plus, minus, addition, fractions, and different numbers. 1, 0, 1, 2, 10, 20, 100, so on. Infinite numbers. Infinite numbers. In the equation, we use all of them. We use all of them. And first of all, our equation just like 5x minus 2 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is an equation. And then question arises, how we can solve this equation? How we can solve this equation? Now, firstly, we're using the concept 1 equation, the balancing the equation. How we can balance the equation? From easy one-step equation to slightly tricky to two-step equation. Then don't worry, I will make it fun, not boring. Now we will do the concept number 1 equation. How we can balance the equation? Step number 1 equation should be balanced. First thing, it's very important. Equation is like a balanced scale. If both sides are equal, it will be balanced. Just like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This equation is balanced equation. But if I write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, it's wrong. Because this equation is not balanced. If you change one side, just like I change this side, then it's imbalance. So rule number 1, whatever you do one side, so you do another side. Just like there's a 1 plus 1, then if you write 1 plus 1 plus 1, then you will write there 3, not 2. So equation should be balanced. Okay. Now I ask one question from you. If we add 5 on left side, what should I do on right? There's a question. If I add plus 5, then on the left side, then will we do at the right side? You can give me this answer. Yes. What I will do? Add 5 on right 2. Add 5 on right 2. Then this equation will be balanced. I hope you understand how we can balance equations. Step number 2, one-step equations. We will solve in this one-step equation. What is a one-step equation? I will write x plus 7 is equal to 15. In which we have unknown value is 1, only 1. And there is a known values. So, in this question, what we will do? We want x alone, like a lonely introvert. So what we remove there? We remove there 7. How we can remove? We do the undo. We do the values operations undo. We will do this operation, and if there is a positive, then there will be negative. So how we can solve this? X is equal to 15. There is a positive 7, then it will be minus 7. This value will be undo. This value will be undo, just like there is a positive, then it will, after the equation, after equal value, it will become negative. So x is equal to 8. So my answer is x is equal to 8. Okay, student. I asked one question from you. What is the x value at there? What is the x value of that question? we solve this value of this question x is equal to 8. Okay, we will do the one step equation in the second example. But in the second example, x minus 5 is equal to 16. This is a one step equation. How? Is the x is alone, which we want to find that. X is alone, which we want to find that. So we do again the undo procedure. With the minus 5, then it will become positive 5. It will become positive 5 after this equals values. So x is equal to 16 plus 5. Operation will be changed. There is a minus, then it will become positive and other sides. So x is equal to, when we add them, 16 plus 5, my answer will be 21. So I will give you a challenge. What we will do here, add or subtract. Why do we add there? Can you give me the answer? Why would we add there? My answer is x equal to 21. Why? We don't subtract it. I do explain you. We do the undo procedure in which minus will become positive on other side. So my answer is x is equal to 21 because we are undoing there. Next step 3, how we can solve the multiplications and divisions. Multiplications and division. What is the question? Question, there is a 3x is equal to 15. Again, there is the undo. We will do the undo. How? 3 is multiply, then there will be divide. There is a divide, then it will be multiply. So there is a multiply, 3 is multiply with x. 3x means it's a 3 multiply with x. Okay. But if there is x divided by 3, then it will be x divided by 3. So there is the x, 3x equal to 15 multiply, change into divide. Next, the multiply, then it will be divide at this side. 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 5. My answer is the 5. Now we will solve another example. Second example, x divided by 2 is equal to 6. Again, I explained you. We will do undo. How is the divide? It will be multiply at that space. Divide, change into multiply. X is equal to 6 multiply 2. Because there is a divide, then due to undo, it will be multiply at right side. In left side there will be divide and right side there will be multiply. So my answer is 12. X is equal to 12. Okay students, we will play the mini game. Speed around. I will say the equation, you say the operations. X plus 3 is equal to 10. What will be undo? X minus 4 is equal to 9. 5x is equal to 20. X over 3 is equal to 7. Can you do this? Can you tell me? You say me the operations. I tell you again. There is a positive and it will become negative. There is a negative, it will become positive. There is a multiply, there will be divide. There is a divide, then it will be multiplied at that side. And then we can get the values. In the step number 4, we do the two-step equations. Now things get interesting. What? 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. It's a two steps needed. Rule undo is reverse order. As we explained, undo is a reverse order, as I explained you earlier. If there is a positive, it will become negative at that side. So, what we will do, the two-step equation, how if there is x and there is two values at that side. First, in the previous equations, there is only one value, just like x plus 2 is equal to 8. Only one value, one step. But if this is a two-step verification, because they add, there is a two. Means addition and multiplication both. It's addition and multiplications both in this equation. So, in this two-step equation, how we can solve this? I will give you the trick in which you can easily solve these equations. Firstly, what we will do? We will plus minus. Firstly, we will solve this plus minus. 8, if there is a plus, it will be reversed at the right side. 8 minus 2 will become 6. Then it will be multiplied. It will become divided at that side. 6 divided by 2. So my answer is x is equal to 3. This means firstly we subtract in this value and then we divide in this value. So my answer is x equal to 3. This is the two-step equations. Okay, you understand this? Okay, student. Now I explain you this example. Give me the answer if this question I ask you. Which step first? Divide or subtract. In this, which step we do first? Divide or subtract? Correct answer is subtract. Then we first divide. Okay. Firstly, we'll do the operation plus minus and then we'll do the operation multiplication and division. There's the equation 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 8. In this, we will solve the groups or brackets. What we will do, we will solve the groups and brackets. Question arises how we can solve this. Firstly, we will not do this bracket first. No. In the equations, we will solve outside. We will solve this outside. How? We will reverse. Firstly, under the reverse order. If multiply, then it will be divided at that place. Just like x plus 2 a divided by 2. Because there is a multiply at that side. So x plus 2 is equal to 2 4 are 8. The 4. Firstly, I again explain you. Solve outside first. Inside last. So, in the step 1, we must divide. Why did not we subtract first? The question is rises because there's a plus and it will be reversed under reverse order at the right side. Why would do not subtract? Can you give me an answer? Because this plus 2 in the bracket in the group and we'll solve this group after the outside solutions. Okay? X is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. So my answer is 2. This is my final answer. I hope you understand these two-step equations. The two-step equations, if we find the question, the groups or brackets, we will not solve this group of brackets first. We will solve the outside. Then we will solve inside. Bracket is equal to group and we will solve the last. Firstly, we will solve the outside. 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. Then x equal to 4 minus at that place. 4 minus 2, x equal to 2. My answer is x is equal to 2. There is another example of group x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. How we can solve this fraction? I will give you the fraction trick. How? Firstly, I explain you, we will solve this group. We will solve this group last. And outside the group, we will solve first. There is a divide, then it will be undo. If the divide, so it will be multiply. So, x minus 1 is equal to 4 multiply 2. X minus 1 equal to 4 to the 8. X equal to the addition, subtract. So, it will be add at that place. 8 plus 1. So, x is equal to 9. My final value is x equal to 9. Fraction line is equal to hidden brackets. So, we will solve this. I hope you clearly understand how we can easily solve these equations. Okay, student, we will play the final mini game. Guess the answer before me. X plus 10 equal to 20. 2x equal to 14. X over 5 equal to 3. Then what will be the answer? Can you tell me? 10 is minus 20 will be minus 10. Then my answer is 7. My answer is 15. It's very easy. Okay. In the first, I will tell you. Now, we back to the magic trick. Think of a number. Plus 5 multiply 2 minus 10 and divided by 2. Then what will be your answer? It's the same your number started with. It's the same your number started with. That's algebra power. Okay, you learned one step equation. Then you learn two-step equations in which we solve them, in which we solve brackets, in which we will solve fractions, in which we will solve the addition, multiplication, and division, how we will do fast. And we balancing the rule and reverse equation in which we were saying that undo rule. If you enjoy this, like, subscribe, and comment your answer. What is x in 3x plus 6 is equal to 16? Can you give me this answer of this question in the comment? I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep your mind A plus mind.